just like tell me when you're recording.
Go.
Hi, my name is Caitlin and I'm reading for Andrea. Oh my God, Snow, in the last 3 days, 104 people have been kidnapped. Wait. Interesting.
What's interesting?
That's interesting, see? No bodyguards.
Oh, that makes me feel a lot better, Andrea. Thanks. You know, it's not like having a bodyguard means it's safe now.
Relax, Snow. You can just break out like you do for all my parties.
Oh, shut up. It's not like I have a choice.
What was that?
Relax, Andrea. It's probably just a bear, right?
Oh, shut up! Let's go, okay?
Sorry. You know, I bet that bear is stalking us right now.
Oh, shut up, Snow. No, wait. No. Talk. Talk about something. Something else.
Like what?
Like anything, Snow. Tell me how you broke out of Fort Daddy.
Andrea, that's confidential.
You know, Snow, this isn't high school.
Okay. You need to know wigs, ropes, and knots, right? Of course, Bulldog, being onto your mom, helped with the getaway car, and...
Aisha did all that in guitar.
Yes, but Aisha got caught. Nice bear, eh?
Oh, shut up!
Funny you bringing her up.
Well, look, Snow, why not?
Andrea, she's on her own, and...
So are we all.
No, not like her, Andrea. Not like her.
Aisha threw everything away.
Aisha made a tough choice. You can't get it. I can't get it.
Snow, what is there to get?
Andrea, Aisha will never go back. As far as she's concerned, she's...
Emancipated?